Winter is coming and it's time to pink up your boat with antifreeze. Here's a quick recap of how to choose the right antifreeze for all your water systems to make sure nothing freezes during the winter and that your freshwater system is safe in the spring.
Hey, it's Captain Brian. We're getting ready to put the boat up in the yard for the winter, so we got to winterize the boat. Essentially, that means getting all the water out of all the systems on the boat that could freeze over the winter and break, tubes, pipes, tanks, engines, and stuff like that. And, step one is to drain as much of the water out as you can, but where there's going to be still water stuck in tubes and places, you want to displace it, flush it out with antifreeze. And not just any kind of antifreeze, the kind of antifreeze, the green stuff or the orange stuff that goes in your engine is made of a toxic substance called ethylene glycol. It's poisonous. If you accidentally ingested anything, it could kill you. It's bad for the environment and everything. Marine antifreeze is made of a different substance called propylene glycol, which is essentially inert. It's non-toxic. It doesn't hurt the environment, and it's often used in medicines and stuff, to keep the medicine in suspension in like a gel or liquid form. So anyway, it's non-toxic, and this comes in a couple different varieties. There's the blue stuff, which is good to minus 100 degrees. This stuff's good to minus 50 degrees. And notice that this is good for water systems and engines, right? There's another kind of pink looking stuff that you can get at like Home Depot or whatever, and that's more clear. This is more cloudy. The clear stuff's really only good for water systems. It's not meant to come in contact with the metal in the engine and everything. So this is the stuff I use, the cloudy pink stuff. Hose, because then you can see. So first step is I'm going to drain the water out of my water tank. So there's 4 different classes of water systems on a boat. There's freshwater, raw water, gray water, and black water, and we got to address them all. So step 1 for me is to drain all the water out of my freshwater tank, and then get some pink loaded up in there that I can distribute throughout all the freshwater systems on my boat, which includes sinks, shower heads, and it's also the water that flushes the toilets. And that'll be it for this phase. And then the next phase will be addressing the raw water systems, which are the air conditioner, the engines, the generator. They all suck water out of the river, so we got to make sure that all that water's out of here. And finally, the drains, like the shower sumps and things like that. So the gray water system, get rid of all that stuff. The black water system is the head tank. We'll empty that out tomorrow. So step 1 is to address the freshwater system. So off I go.
If you need more help, you should check out these other videos we have on how to winterize your boat's freshwater systems and how to winterize your boat's engine, AC, and gen.